Okay, now I'm live on YouTube. All right, so what I did this morning was updated this so that it looks like AI slot. Um, and then redid this to where it's like formatted. What's up? What's up, Mr. Chicken? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Um, I don't even know how to explain it because it looked terrible. Like it was like white background and stuff on dark theme. The text was black on dark theme, so you couldn't see anything. I just did that real quick. I don't know if I have the Twitch VOD for it or not, but let me try to look at it in light theme because my default is just dark theme with this. But I want to see what it looks like before I move on. Oh, sorry for the flashbang. Yeah. Uh. All right. Cool. All right. And then with the past entries and stuff, the only problem that I did have, like whenever I tried to step away and use this at work, was my Firebase permissions were messed up. And I'm gonna start bringing my iPad to work so that I can fix Firebase or technical issues whenever I'm not at my computer so I can use it. That's what I may end up doing because I can't really use Claude Code on my phone like that. I can. I just don't want to use it on my phone. So there's that. Eye patch. Well, yeah. Yeah. I only have like halfway decent permissions because of AI. If it was up to me, my code base would be wide open. I'll be honest. What does auto mean? Never mind. But um if it was up to me, my permissions would be default, not even touched, looked at. Nah. But thanks to Claude, thanks to AI, whatever someone chooses to use. Yeah, everything public. Matter of fact, API keys. I mean, I flash my API keys on here sometimes. It's been a while though, but you know, that's also true. Oh man. But at least now I have this so that oh, now I have this so that we ran today. And here's what happened. So like I started at this time roughly. We ran this, all this stuff, blah 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 blah. Made this much. But here's the big thing. Here's the see, yeah, it is problematic. And I tried to do like a small PM on it. As much as I'm capable of right now. But in the middle of me doing it, they told me to go ahead and start it up. So this is what happens. But yeah. This is the major thing that I want to show off today. Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. This is the scrap efficiency. This is something that I've added. I don't think I've ever shown it off though, but like scrap and weight tracking, being a little bit more analytical with what I do, a little bit more intentional, but also I want to compound on this by factoring in like different notes throughout the shift or the line report that may happen like down here. and like as a reasoning as to why this looks like this. That's something I want to be more intentional about, but I don't know how I'm going to go about it. That's something I want to build out. And then also after each day, I want to set up an automated workflow so that whether I'm running this line or other lines, it combines and makes a report. Like I can already download the PDFs or whatever, but either text or email different shifts so that they know what's going on and things that may arise or may happen when I'm not there. So that's just something that I've been thinking about adding. So I mean, no, but I could. I wasn't planning on it, but I could. Something. I don't know. We're experimenting. It's 2026. It's a new year. No judgment, you know what I'm saying? Oh, well, let's let's do this. Hold up. Let's go ahead and do this. And then you know what? I'm just gonna do this live. I'm just gonna use GitHub for this. I don't feel like using the terminal. Go into this branch. I'm behind this many commits. Do that into that. Create a pull request. I don't even know what to title this. This is weird. I'm bad at titling things. This is why I use AI. AI is really the main reason why I title things. It really is. Or to get me away from titling things like variables and stuff like that. So, um, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? There's like an AI button right here that like summarizes what I'm. That would be great. Um, I can't just say catching up to main. That would be stupid. What else did I do? It sucks. Cause like it's not just this one thing that I did. Why does it do this? Oh, no. Oh, did it do it? Did it do it? And now I go into here. I don't feel I what? I'm already here? Okay, cool. Wait, I'm right. Am I good if I do that? Let me see. Pages profile. Knew that. Is this collapsible? Is editing cool, cool, cool. Display mode. Uh, what? What? Mhm. That's something different. This isn't it. Wasn't that it? I may be a little bit slow, but wasn't that it? Oh no. No. What? Hold up. What? Oh. Okay, what did this do? From and to. That doesn't make sense, but okay. I'll just say that it just caught me up. Cool. Um. uh, uh, wait. Did you hire him? Wait, Vaca, did you hire him? Because I want to do a feature by feature. Oh, did you see him? Do you look like he could do it? Are you doing a pull request on your own code? Is anyone else? No, no. But I also don't want to like. I don't know. I'm trying to use Git. That's one thing I want to like learn how to do is like use branches. And I want to separate my branches by like features or components or whatever it's called. I don't know what the technical name for it is, but I want to separate it by like I've set up the study sessions feature, the line reports, things like that. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah. Oh, the problem with naming it was I forgot all that I did because it was three different commits. So yeah. Mm, that's what I want to get to is being a CLI wizard, but in due time. In due time. Deep for wait, what is the job for? Huh? What? All right, man. I think he's just sending out just blanket resumes to any and everyone in his area. I think that's what's happening. For mechanical assembly. What? Also, if you guys are hiring, let me know. Oh man. Well, doing feature branches makes sense, but you don't really use them in that way. You finish the entire feature, then merge. Oh, it's not iterative. I'm down to move. I don't care. Um, you seem to merge every little change. I'm doing it the wrong way. Let me know. I'm available. I'm on the market now, so not that I'm like on the market. Like I have a job, but I'm on the market. If that makes sense. What the heck? How am I supposed to be doing this then? Not wrong. That's when I do look at LinkedIn and Indeed at night. Precisely. But chicken, hold up, wait, stop joking around. How am I supposed to do this? Like, do I really have to wait? Because it's never really gonna be done. None of these features are ever like Like done. And my attention span is never long enough to focus just on one thing in the app for an extended period of time to where I can do like line reports like V1, line reports V2 or something like that. And besides, other Git repos, um, they have feature branches and people do iterative stuff on that. Open source stuff, right? I know I'm not crazy. Fine. Fine. All these rules. Okay. So, what I plan on doing is with the line reports. There's a couple things I want to do with the line reports. Um, actually, I don't know. Do you guys see this? If you want to complicate things, is sub features. Wait, a branch inside of a branch? Or how about okay, because whenever I'm on my iPad, I can't really control what Claude does. I can and can't. I can't control what Claude does whenever it merges into my or makes commits to my code base. So I can't tell it to not do it. So it keeps on doing this. Yes, I'd like to believe so. It's not. But I'd like to believe so. Um it does this and it names what the PR is and what it does or what I did with that PR. So I think this may be what I do instead of and this is where I'm confused. It'll do the wait a second. Wait. I think I just figured something out. What if now stay with me. What if you know how Claude does this whenever I'm on my iPad, I'm not at my computer, and it does this autonomously? Would it be crazy if I made a new branch each day and just made a PR on what I did for that day? Or at that point, I'm just making commits, and I might as well just use main for the whole thing. Is it like a feature or something? Milestones? I've never heard of that. Oh, look, I have a readme. Look. Um, GitHub kidney stones. Used to track progress on groups of issues and pull requests within a repo. A release date. They function for pull requests. Oh, is it also here? Oh, okay. Okay. Um, click the milestone, enter that, and also do that, and then click create a milestone with pull. What? If I do this, I can look at past milestones. And like, oh, okay. Oh, this is this is a rabbit hole, and everything's just making me like, what? This is just like making me want to just commit to Maine and just live a simple life. Maybe I've been doing this wrong. I just wanted to be wanted to be more organized, but I suck. Maybe I'll just focus on getting better at the CLI and being a CLI wizard, as you guys call it. Maybe that's what I'll do. But who knows? Um, so I need a cheat sheet actually, or I could just ask AI for it to do it. I don't know. It's not bad. The GitHub app, desktop app, isn't bad. Yeah, because I'll lose my entire code base and just wait. The last time I rebased, do you remember the last time I rebased? You were here. Oh, that was frustrating. Oh, I never wanted to use Git again after that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's when I got lost. Lost. Oh, over the next like couple weeks. Okay, wait. Let me set one up. Create a milestone. Milestone. I don't know what the milestone's gonna be over. Everyone does their first few read bases practice though. Yeah. But like for most cases, you don't really have to rebase. There's another I don't know. Uh get get action? Get I don't know. Get whatever. I mean, seems like it. Seems like it. Really? I don't know what I want to build over the next couple weeks. Uh, I can't just say. How about this? Let me look at all that I want to build. Uh, this needs to go out somewhere. Yeah. It says use new issue. Wait. Sorry, I kind of checked out of Twitch chat. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Sorry. Uh, yeah, he's had a Twitch. Actually, Wiz Khalifa is on Twitch as of recent. I seen the video where he was playing Madden and he forgot that he was live and he came back like hours later. I saw that video. Uh, oh. Whenever I play music, I feel like I'm not playing good music. So I don't know. It would help. Well, I'm bringing it back because he said that. I'm bringing it back, and I'm gonna see if the new people like it. We're doing this now. No, I used to play this, and I don't even know if you can hear it or not. But eventually, I don't know. Can you hear that? Yeah, you can hear that. Yeah, I'm doing that. Um, Croucher. I just now made sense of that. All right, man. All right. Yes, it is a piano. I may let's do 18 because that may be too loud. Cause it just gets loud whenever y'all tight. I'm bringing this back. Nope, I'm doing 20. No, 16 decibels. Okay, so when making this, I don't know what I should do. Edit, open, whatever. Wait. You can see a list of all milestones and do that. Oh, is that a good or a bad thing? So I should turn this back off. Uh, Now I'm questioning, should I have made a project instead? I think this is more of like iterative work than a milestone. So now when you do you attach it as an issue? Or I'm confused. In my pull request, I can assign it to a milestone without doing this whole issue thing. Okay, cool. I'll try this, but also if I don't like this, then I'll try to work on this. What is this? Oh gosh. What the heck? Hold up. What? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. What? Oh, it's broken already. Cause okay, wait. I already have this. I've built this already. This. I've built this already. But it's just not hooked up to my GitHub. What? Should I use this instead of this? Oh. Oh. I'm just gonna steal what I like from GitHub and just put it into mine. I'm gonna use this, but just steal what I like from GitHub and then just put it into mine. Easy. Welcome to the world of AI. All right. So, um, what do I need to do? Let's plan this out. This is gonna be. I'm gonna take a I made this. Oh, I guess Crouch is just in a joking streak or in a joking mood today. But uh this I'm going to use Ever's advice to plan things out before I just start blasting code out and just lose my way through this. So, in building this, I'm really just going to be talking. And this is what I was afraid of and why I was taking so long to come back. Because make a plan, make an MVP, sell to many people, get rich, rinse and repeat. See you soon, Jeff Bezos. It's called projects in GitHub repository, but also I built this out. Well, I built this out. The CSS is kind of messed up on it, but it's kind of the same thing. It's just logging everything that I've done associated to this project. So, what I may do is just do something similar to this. Roadmap. Stop sign. The heck is this? Hello? Alright. Alright. Tattling is because you can assign dates to stuff. Oh. 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 So I should really just be. I should really just be on these three things. Yeah, I should really just be on these three things because this is like for a team. This is for PMs, I guess. Oh. Can I delete this? Ooh. Yes. And then it doesn't really matter. Okay. I'm going to use Claw for this. I'm going to plan this thing out. I don't care about time spent. Because half my time is just talking to y'all, which I love. So, the problem is I leave my computer open overnight, so it's going to be skewed. It's not going to be accurate. That's the problem. I like the idea though. I'm looking down. Let me show you something. That's not it. Nope. No, do you see that? That's a burn mark. All right, man. All right. All right. Oh, what's up, Pixel? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right. How many of you are ever alt accounts? Raise some hands. Now we can get down to it. All right. How many of you are ever alt accounts? I did, and it was on a heater, and it sucked. And it was Friday night. After I had watched college football, it sucked. I'm gonna go. Yes, and I'm gonna be watching Indiana Monday in Dallas. So yes. Yes, yes, yes. I mean, Miami does look good though, but all right, fine. I'm gonna go until I run out of tokens, and that's just gonna be the end of the stream. All right, so I want to start a feature where I'm just gonna keep on asking it one-line questions because Ever gets mad whenever I do alsos. So I'm just gonna do one-line questions. Where I mean, well, okay, we're not really vibe coding today. We're vibe planning and then vibe coding. So yeah. You know, Friday was and I'm sorry if you don't like vibe coding, but yeah, this is kind of like what I do. I'm sorry for being weird and not pure like you guys are. But Friday was the first time. All right. Friday was the first time that I saw Mendoza like in real time what he does. He's these are perfect passes. I've never seen anything like this. I'm sorry. It's just what you're writing here first, right into the Kanban? No, it's not a task though. I'm just writing out what I want to do. That's insane. What? The backlog? I'm confused on what you're saying. What? All right, I'm doing this. Um, because they still have that extension, right, in Firebase. We'll see. Um, it'll text people, even though it may be more expensive. I can still text people to make it more. I don't know. I don't know. Like more real life ish. I don't know how to explain it. Uh, uh let's do that. As long as you know the code and know how to fix bugs or manually if needed, you're good to go. I can, but I don't want to. Like, no, just no. No, no. It's 2026. No, Don't make me do this. Why not record the plan? What do you mean? Copy and paste into the plan. What are you talking about? What plan? Add item. This? I don't know what you're talking about. This is a new. Wait. New view? Oh. What? This is bored. I don't get it. Okay. And this write out everything I want to do in here? Like, say, for example... This is a weird way of thinking, but I'm trying to understand what you're saying. Oh, I know how I'm going to use this. Never mind. You just... Okay, wait. You just made sense of it. No. The code that's written, yes, it will be lost in Claude code history. That's not important to me. What is important in this backlog is what happens after I finish this code session. And then I'll put that, what else I have, everything else that I want to build is going to be in the backlog. Hey, what's up, Hoggle? And orders a plan on what to produce. I'm making it. Nice, 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 nice. No, you told Claude what you told Claude will be lost. So the record, the order is lost. Is the product specs, which is all. That's what I do after every stream in here. I already do it. I literally, okay. All right, fine. All right, y'all. I already do it. Hold up. Is this what I want? Yes. I'm confused too, but at this point, I'm just going forward because I don't know. I don't understand what the point of that is. But when should the report be sent? Ooh. My brother. Automatic. Just so it'll be automated. I love it. Who should receive the reports? Yes. Have a default list, but override when sending. What should be included in the report? Well, let me read this before I start this one. I don't know why you need Claude to tell yourself what you want to do because I don't know what I want to do yet. It's really just brainstorming. Because, like, I know a roundabout answer of what I want, but, like, for it to make sense, it's really just brainstorming. What should be included in the report? Keynotes. A detailed report. Full details, including all notes, all problems with remedies, equipment settings. To create a what? That one? Really, the more I look at this, it may not have anything that's going to be AI generated in it. I thought it was, but I don't think it's gonna have anything that's AI generated in it. The only thing that's gonna be automated is it sending. It's gonna be basically a cron job. But how the data is aggregated is the part where I'm confused at. This is just the first message. Hold up. Give me a second. Wait a second. This. So, here. What is add item from repository? Okay. Contact list. I want. It's preview name. Oh. I want to make contact list for who will be. Oh, I'm stupid. Do you want to create that? Yes. 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 Is this not in that repo? What? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No, there's no point in using. This is aggravating. But I don't see. You see, like this trail or whatever this is called. What happened? But do you see how? There's an AI button. Anyways, I don't know if this is gonna be in my TSO training repo. Oh man. Well. Oh. All right. Uh, can I do that? Ooh, can I do that? No! No! Oh yeah, it's a front end framework, a web framework. It's like React, but Google made it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hmm? Why is this private? Ah, crap. Uh, 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 Priority. I don't know why this is private. Crap. I don't know what fax numbers look like. What the heck? So like, is this just lost now? Man, what? You're kidding. All right, man. Ah, crap. So wait, if I'm here, there's issues right here. Why is this private? And if I try to make a new one, let me see. Projects. This one. Oh. No. Dog, please just work. Add item from repository. Please? No. Create more. What is that? This is stupid. Trying to figure out this project thing when it doesn't make sense. But how are you doing? Thanks for coming to the stream and watching me struggle. What? 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 Okay. What is this? The new item is hidden by this views filters. What is this views filters? Okay, cool. Let me delete this. Oh. I thought I already deleted that and nothing showed up. Alright, fine. And what is current then? What? Oh, I hate this. Save filters for plan. Cool. So I don't have to go back and do this stupid stuff. Huh? Wait, so my computer right now can fax something. Because this is the first time chatting, right? I've never seen this person before. They've probably already left because I'm so boring and stupid. But that was the first time chatting. What else do I, oh, this is done. All right, so what are you saying? Huh? Via email to selected contacts when a line report is completed. What? Huh? Oh, that just makes sense. Oh. I'm like, huh? Um. Yeah, it's fine. If phone exists, optional if that exists is selected boolean created at their ID. I don't really care about these. Files. Care about that. No, what it does. Oh my gosh. Full detail, line name. All notes with timestamps. What notes is it taking? Production, pieces made, scrap made, efficiency, cycle time, heat zones, thermolator settings, if that exists, air settings too. Oh, no. See, here's the thing. Oh, did you guys see? There's a um new Claude code wrapper. You probably can't see it from here, but was that? Oh, whatever this is. It's not gonna show it, but there's a new thing called Claude Cowork. They do what in Paris? downtime. Breakdown by category. I don't know what that means. Uh, okay. Which air setting should... For downtime, how detailed should the report be? List each downtime event. So, with reason. Fuel jam on forming station. Reason. Just total. Plus top reasons. And do each of those. Yes. Anything else you want to discuss or transfer? Hold up. This whole thing is just, it just needs to be HTML. But I can send HTML in an email, but I can't do that really in a text message. So I'm gonna have to create a new web page, a new like route. What do you mean? Yes, you can. You can. Yes, you can. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. But if it's a text message, I'll just send a link in the text message, and that link is gonna go to a route that's gonna be here now. It's somewhere in this app. But the same HTML that can be in the app can also be in the email. Oh, you're saying in text messages? No. I'm saying in the email, the HTML will render. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly what Ever said. Yeah. Whenever send a text Okay, wait. How about report is been generated. HTML is created to build. Just because you can. Should the report link require login to view? Wow, I didn't know that was possible. No longer required. I like that. How should reports be? Shift report. Store rendered in. What? That's stupid. Good choices. Be adversarial. Fight back. I should really use Opus for this. If I'm using Haiku, I'm gonna be so upset. Wait, am I using Opus? I'm using Opus. And it's still stupid. What? But wait. Then they realized I could charge, and it was no. Wait, what? wait, huh? It's 10 cents a message? Ah, crap. Oh god. Maybe this is worse than I thought. Mm. When you finish your shift and complete a line report. Oh my God. Automatically sends a detailed summary of everything that happened to the people you've selected. See? This is why I turn it off. Y'all just complaining. All right, hold up. Let's turn it down. There. Easy. Okay. All right, man. Are you sure this wasn't Twitch? On YouTube? What? Where have we gone wrong in society? Oh my gosh. Okay. They receive it by or okay. See, that's my thing. I don't know. This right here is what's confusing me. I don't want it to just do it once every line report. I want it to do once per day. Setting up. What happens when you complete a line report? You click complete as normal. The system generates a shareable link to the report with a temporary access code. Actually, no, I don't like that. I don't like that. The system generates a shareable link for each contact you selected. If they have an email, you see a notification confirming how many received it, what's in the report, basic info, which line was running, who was the operator, and stuff like that. Production numbers, how many pieces were made, scrap percentage, motorcycle time, thermolator settings, air, cool. Each time the line went down, listed with a specific reason. 15 minutes, yes. Problems, any problems that came up during that shift, the severity, and what remedies were tried. Notes. Okay. When someone clicks the link from a text message, for security, email recipient see the full report directly without needing to click anything. This is where I have an issue. I don't want this to send. I want it to. My bad. Here's my thing. If I do play like piano and stuff, because like this piano goes off of how much y'all text in chat. If I do play piano music, I don't know if I'll get a copyright claim on YouTube. How should it be triggered? Automatic at a set time. Oh! You mark as the final one. Mm. Mm. What should be included in the daily report? All lines I completed that day. All lines from that one. What the heck? What? Why? What? Hold on. I need to delete that. Oh. These are playlists, but they all only have one video. Is a long video? No, they only have one video in them. Give me a second. Let me just look through this real quick. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I'm not. No. Let me search. Piano. I don't see any piano music in here. Who that? Where should the send time be configured? Yeah. Should there be a manual override option? Include a send now button to send before the scheduled time. No, do it automatically. I've never. Do I? All right. That wasn't COVID. Probably when you found out about this person, wasn't wasn't COVID. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Okay, wait. Before we start that, the system automatically sends one report of your selected content. This report contains all line reports that anyone at your company completed that day. Yes. New daily reports. Page accessible from your profile. Show a preview. Send time. Cool. Fully detailed report covering every line. Cool. Report contents for each line. Cool. Link access. Cool. Wait, he passes out. No! I wish... I'm deleting this. Give me a second. Because it's popping up like a desktop... I don't want to do that. It's popping up a desktop app. These... Why is that even open? I hate this. It's popping up these whenever I'm doing anything. And it's not doing it in my browser. Why are you doing this? No. You die. That is copyrighted. Oh my gosh. Can I just empty my trash, please? How do I? Oh, easy. Oh my gosh. Really? Really? I had upwards of 42,000 items in my trash. Let's try this again. All right, dog. There's more. Chrome apps. Wait, whatever's in here. YouTube. Stop bringing things up. Now. Delete. What? I give up. I give up. Never mind. Fine. Wow, I really don't like his face. He should have never done this. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait. Stop. Wait. Also, was that music loud? How loud? Should I have turned it up, turned it down, or left it alone? You say nobody complained, but I haven't heard from Chicken yet. Mm. See? See? Anyways, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to click yes and say, looks good, let's build it. And we will come back and see the results tomorrow. Sounds good? Yeah, tomorrow. Not long. Not long. It's just a matter of if it's gonna use all the tokens or not. But not long. I've started it, but I yeah, autocomplete. I am getting off. In the meantime, be you, be great. Thank you for being you. Thank you for joining. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Wait, peace. Come on. I will.